Welcome to the City of Bristol College. This is the South Bristol Skills Academy. We're here today to talk about the South West Composites Gateway project. The project is funded by the European Regional Development Fund, and its aim is to assist SMEs in the area to improve their skills and abilities in the use of composite materials.
Reality Aircraft is a company that was founded 12 years ago now. Our product range so far has been steel fuselage, steel framework and fabric covering on both of the aeroplanes that we've been using, which is great for home-built aircraft where people don't have a great deal of skill or facilities available. For the future, of course, we want to be able to produce an aeroplane that is much more stylish than we can actually achieve with tube and fabric, which means basically glass fibre so that you can get a really sexy shape. We got assistance through the MAS, through the Manufacturing Advisory Service, moved us in the direction of finding other people that were able to help us. And the Composite Gateway was a way for us to get into composites. The project for us started 2 years ago with a joint effort between us and Southampton University. We set up with the professor in charge and the university a system where we would help their students to perfect the aeroplane, and at the end of the day we would be the ones that would bring it to market.
Here with Composite Gateway, they're helping us to understand the technical side and the hands-on side to composite construction.
Composites are behind all the most exciting developments in engineering at the moment. And Formula One cars rely entirely on composites. America's Cup racing yachts are made from composites. In the Olympics this year, in the Paralympics, we'll see composites playing their part in the form of Oscar Pistorius' legs. And even in the automotive industry, McLaren's brand new supercar relies on composites.
Palamco are a backshell and connector manufacturer. We do all our designing in-house. Everything is made specific to the customer requirements. The Composites Gateway project has been an excellent introduction to the world of composites, and they've really gone out of their way to make sure they do all the background work. I would say that it's a fantastic way of getting to know a lot more about the industry. It has brought many benefits, including an excellent report which they've provided, which details the industry as a whole, as well as ideas for future developments that we can make to improve our products.
We are a company in Bristol supplying composite materials, which is resins and fiberglass, carbon fibre, those types of materials, so plastics and resins. And we've been involved in supplying them for about 10 or 15 years. We have a requirement. We send customers out with materials and we want them to know how to use them properly. So in order to get them the knowledge, we try to give them as much information in training as we can. And the facilities here are pretty limited, but the South West Composites Gateway have got the facilities. Now that kind of the introduction to that came about by us being a material supplier. So again, a collaboration existed where we supply them some materials for courses, and then we can use their facilities to run our own courses and introduce our customers to the sort of education they need to use the materials correctly. We look at the traditional materials used in building, for example. Fiberglass and resin is quite a new addition to that, and it's growing a lot at the moment. But to make sure it's used properly is very important. So even though there's a need for more people to do it, there hasn't up until now been the facilities to train them properly and to get them out at work doing a job. We're actually sending our own staff to upskill in terms of what the Composite Gateway can offer that we can't offer them.
I'm Ali Bamford. I'm a designer and machinist at Tuscard Limited. Tuscard design and manufacture surveillance equipment primarily. We've always worked with metals and sheet metal work, which is fairly limiting in shapes, sizes, costs, strength, all those areas of design. We're looking at using composites alongside aluminiums and sheet metal work as a more cost-effective solution. We'll be using the Gateway and composite solutions in our products in the future. There's several benefits to working with the Gateway with companies that don't specialise in it. You're given all the training and appreciation of what you can change of a product that's already existing or come up with a new project. The guys there are great, very more than helpful. The facilities at City of Bristol College were fantastic, and look forward to going on the training course and getting my hands dirty really.
In 10 years' time, the vision for South West Composite Gateway is to be a well-established, self-funding national composite gateway that supports businesses through a spectrum of specialist technology services.